Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already your Robinhood account that is set up. So you will need to complete your signing up and then you will need to verify your identity. And basically after that, you will be able to start trading assets in Robinhood. And simply to start making money on Robinhood, you will need to learn more about investing. So basically, here in Robinhood app, in the application or in the investing panel, you will already find some basics. So basically, you can click here and then you can start exploring the basics of investing. Because if you start investing without knowledge, you will risk losing your money. And basically, you can start seeing all these articles on why to invest and what to invest, like building your portfolio so you can learn what is stock, ETFs, bonds, and other stuff like also crypto if you would like, even if they are separate things. And after that, then you will be able to start trading your stocks. And basically, all you need to do to start buying and selling your stocks on Robinhood is by uh, checking the list of the stocks. You can also create your own list if you would like to. So you can create a list of some specific stocks. You will need just to click on the stock that you would like to invest in or that you want to trade. You will click on this trade button. There you will see three options that will appear: the buy option, sell option, and trade options. So basically, you will need to buy options to buy the stocks when they are cheaper, and you can, for example, sell them when the price gets higher, and by that you will have some gains. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.